Welcome back to Old Charles. Today, we're diving into another fascinating coin from history, the France 5 centimes from 1971. Whether you're a collector or just curious about old coins, this one has an interesting story to tell. Let's explore its history, design, and, of course, its value today. So, let's get started. The 5 centimes coin is part of France's rich numismatic history. France switched to the decimal monetary system in the late 18th century, and the centime became a fundamental part of the currency. The coin we're talking about today was minted in 1971, during the era of the French franc, which was used before France adopted the euro in 2002. The 5 centimes coin was part of the Third Republic and later continued into the Fifth Republic, which was established in 1958. By 1971, the coin had become a staple of daily life in France. Now, let's talk about the design. On the obverse, you'll see the profile of Marianne, the national symbol of France. Marianne represents liberty, equality, and fraternity, the core values of the French Republic. Her image is surrounded by the inscription République Francaise, which translates to French Republic. This design was crafted by Jean-Baptiste Daniel Dupuy, a well-known French engraver. On the reverse, you'll notice the denomination 5 centimes prominently displayed. Below it is the year of minting, 1971, and the mint mark of the Paris Mint. Surrounding the denomination, there's a beautiful depiction of wheat stalks, symbolizing agricultural abundance in France. Let's go over some quick specs of the coin. Composition *** made of copper and aluminum. Weight *** approximately 1 gram, making it a very lightweight coin. Diameter ** 19 millimeters. Smooth, with no reading. The 1971 5 centimes coin was part of a large mintage. In fact, over 52 million coins were minted that year at the Paris Mint. Since it was heavily circulated, many of these coins show signs of wear today. However, finding one in uncirculated or mint condition can be a bit more challenging. The coin is not considered particularly rare, but its condition significantly affects its value. Coins in poor or average condition are quite common, while coins in brilliant uncirculated (BU) condition are much more desirable to collectors. Now, the question you've been waiting for: how much is the 1971 5 centimes coin worth today? The value depends on its condition and whether it's in circulated or uncirculated grade. If you find one in very fine (VF) or extremely fine (EF) condition, it could fetch anywhere from $1 to $3 USD. And if you're lucky enough to have a coin in uncirculated or BU condition, its value can go up to $10 USD or more, depending on the buyer and demand. These coins are often available on online marketplaces like eBay or specialized numismatic websites. However, always be cautious when purchasing to ensure authenticity. So, is the 1971 France 5 centimes coin worth collecting? Absolutely. While it may not be extremely rare, it represents a piece of French history and is a beautiful example of mid-20th century coin design. Plus, it's an affordable addition to any coin collection. If you're building a collection of French coins or just starting out as a numismatist, the 5 centimes from 1971 is a great coin to include. Its historical significance and artistic design make it a must-have for enthusiasts. The 5 centimes coin is deeply rooted in France's history of the franc monetary system, which dates back to the late 18th century. Let's take a journey through its historical significance. The franc was introduced as the national currency of France in 1795, replacing the livre after the French Revolution. France adopted the decimal system, where 1 franc was divided into 100 centimes, making calculations easier for the public. The 5 centimes coin, including the 1971 version, is now considered a collectible item. While not particularly rare due to its high mintage, it holds historical significance as a symbol of France's economic and cultural heritage. The 1971 France 5 centimes coin represents not just a small denomination but also a piece of history from the era of the French franc. It reflects the economic changes, political stability, and design artistry of mid-20th century France. Here's a breakdown of the conditions of the France 5 centimes coin from 1971 and how it affects its value and collectability. The condition of a coin is crucial in determining its value. Here's how the 1971 5 centimes coin can be categorized by its condition, based on standard numismatic grading. Key details, such as Marianne's profile on the obverse or the wheat stalks on the reverse, are barely visible. Edges may be worn smooth or have nicks and dents. $0.10 USD, common for highly circulated coins. Heavy wear is evident, but the major features, like the denomination and date, the coin retains most of its original details, with a slightly glossy or smooth surface. The coin shows no signs of wear and retains its original mint luster. All details are sharp, and the coin appears almost as it did when it was minted. Anywhere from $5 to $10 USD or more, depending on demand and market interest. These coins are specially minted for collectors with a polished, mirror-like surface and sharp details. A 1971 proof 5 centimes coin, if it exists, would be rare and valuable, depending on rarity and interest. Look closely at Marianne's profile, the wheat stalks, and the edges for signs of wear or damage. Coins with scratches, discoloration, or dull finishes are less valuable than those with intact luster. Use online grading resources or consult a professional numismatist for a more accurate assessment. If your coin is in a high-grade condition, **XF or better***, consider having it professionally graded by a service like PCGS or NGC to maximize its value, especially if you plan to sell it.